Hello everyone, it's Helen here and thank you for joining me today. So in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make the gift box and the 3D ribbon sleeve. So this is a die set. I'm just going to move these over there. So this is the die set. You get 10 dies and I'll be showing you this in closer detail in a moment. But let's show you the box first. So this is the box that it makes. So the base box is just this rectangular box here, and you also get this ribbon sleeve that fits on the outside, and the heart-shaped part of the inner box threads through and it creates a lovely effect there. So isn't that really pretty? So I absolutely love this one, and this one was made with the afternoon tea papers as well. You don't even have to add very much decoration on after this. This is a gorgeous finished gift box once you are done with this. So let's move those aside. Let's have a closer look at the die set. So here it is, and this is what it looks like now with more traditional Christmas paper. Some of you may already have that Christmas paper from a couple of Christmases ago. Okay, so this is the main die here. You also get trellis dies for each section and also the matte die as well. And again, this makes a beautiful standalone gift box just like that. And I made these ribbons here from the offcuts from these sections, so you can get really creative. So I don't really have to put that away too far because I need to use them, but with this one you will need to cut 2 of these and then glue them together. I'll be showing you exactly how to do that today. And again, this is going to look great out of glitter cardstock, mirror cardstock, and I'm going to be using kind of like a satin silver. So I've got 2 of those ready to go. That is by Crafter's Companion in Anthracite. Again, I'll leave a link for that down below. And I'm using a Snowflake paper from my new collection as well. So this is absolutely beautiful. I love snowflakes. So the whole collection is just snowflakes. Absolutely lovely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the main box from this one and then the ribbon one from these as well, and there'll be plenty of like offcuts that you can keep as well, really good sizes of the offcuts. So let's get that all done. Okay, so I'm going to keep these because I used these ones to create this bow. Just fold them in, curve them up with, I'll show you, a bone folder. Just like that, and then you can glue them down and then you can build yourself up a lovely bow. So you can keep those offcuts really handy. So I'm just going to take these out as well, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold all of these score lines, and then I'll be right back to show you. Actually, I'm going to add the red tape as well, and then I'll be right back to show you what we're going to do next. Okay, so I'm ready to start adding my red tape now. So I'm just going to choose which one I want to use. I have a few different sizes here. I think I'm going to go for this one. So I'm just going to add this to the side tab here, and the rest of this one's going to be using some glue. Rescue my scissors, it was getting buried under stuff. Okay, so on this one I'm just going to add red tape on these side tabs just here. Okay, so I'm just going to glue these two together, but first we need to lose the tabs on one of these, so let's chop those off. So leave these tabs on the other one. It just helps to create a little bit of extra support. We don't need to add glue, but it does help to give the structure. So I'm going to be using Cosmic Shimmer. I've popped that into a teeny tiny bottle. If I can find a link for this bottle, I will add it down below. I'm just adding glue all the way over. And then we're going to overlap these with the ones without the flaps on the side going on the top. So those are going to overlap and everything should line up. And I'm using the wet glue as well because it just gives you that little bit of manoeuvrability. There we go. Okay, so here we have a few options. Before I glued that down, I do have a quick sample to show you. So before you get to the point of gluing these two down as a layer, you can adhere them together using one of the side tabs like so. That is because once we have this popped on, you do kind of have to destroy a little bit of this to get into the box. So it's a bit like a Christmas cracker where you have to destroy the cracker to actually get into the goodies inside, you know. So it's one of those things, but if you want to make it more of a reusable, easier box to get into, you can join them together just by one of the side tabs here, and you don't glue these two together at the top, so it closes over the box. And then what you can do is you can add a Velcro tab at the bottom just like so to make a frame. And if you want to add a little bit of a Velcro tab at the top as well for there, you can do. However, the heart shape that slips through should kind of keep that in place. It's up to you exactly how you want to put this together. So now I have that prepared. We're going to be making an indestructible box today. Anyway, it's so sad to see all of these crackers and things getting destroyed at the dinner table on Christmas Day, all these beautiful crackers. I do get a little bit sad actually when I see all of that. I know, too sensitive, but anyways, I don't immediately throw it all in the bin because I just think they do look so pretty. So what I do with my Christmas crackers is I leave them displayed. I do. I leave it on the table. I'll leave them displayed. I think they look quite fancy actually. All these broken up crackers, because they still have their lovely looks and their lovely shines and everything. So I just leave them, or I'll put them all on a bookshelf along with all of my Christmas decorations, and they sit nicely there until I'm ready to take down the Christmas decorations. Yeah, so Mr. G thinks I'm absolutely crazy for doing that, but I just think the crackers just look so pretty even though they're broken up. So where are we? I need to add a little bit of ink actually now to the inside, because this paper is one-sided. This, you wouldn't have to do this if you're using double-sided paper, but for single-sided paper this is going to be on show when it opens up just like that. So to avoid the white, I'm going to add a bit of blue. So I think I'm going to go for broken china. Actually, peacock feathers looks good too. And I need a surface. Here we go. I don't want to get my glass mat out because it gives a lot of glare using my studio lights. So I'm just using a brush here. This one is from Crafts 2. And I'm just going to add that onto the heart shape. Now I'm using Distress Oxide peacock feathers, but blue china would go well with this, as well as the brand new prize ribbon as well. I've been using that, that's why that's out, it's not put away. Okay. Let's move everything aside. There we go. So that is going to fold in, and then we have that there. So let's get this together now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take off all of the backing papers off. Oh, it's backing plastic really, isn't it? that likes to stick to you. Okay, so let's get this one part done just to start us off. There we go. And then we're going to do the next one, and I'd like you to stop after you've done the first two. What we're going to do now is turn this upside down. We are going to feed through and try and slot in all of the corners into this box here, and also feed through the butterfly, not the butterfly, it is like a butterfly, but the heart shape through there, and then just tuck in all of these corners. And once that is in, it's almost complete. There we go. So now all I have to do is just close these up. There we go. So this is definitely a really good box if you don't want anyone to peek inside the box, because you'd know if someone's peeked because the box would be all broken up, and I don't think anyone would dare to peek into a box that you'd have to break up. So let's add some glue. You can use red tape on this. I know this has a sheeny shiny surface, so the glue will take that little bit of extra time to dry. I'm just going to add my glue all the way around the sides here. And then pop that down, and there we have a lovely Christmas gift box. That's going to look really nice on plates for everyone if you're doing table gifts, favour gifts, even Christmas weddings, anything like that. That is going to look absolutely perfect for any occasion. So here we have the Christmas ones, here we have more of a ordinary birthday occasion gift ones. So I absolutely love this one. So everything that I've used today will be listed down below. This is the gift box and 3D ribbon sleeve die set, and this one is probably one of my favourite ones actually. So thank you very much for joining me today, and I'll see you again next time.